Alright, bird lovers, let's dive into the world of tiny treasures. Here are the top 10 smallest birds on the planet. Number 10, the short-tailed pygmy tyrant. This little South American stunner is barely bigger than a grape. Sliding in at number 9, the weebill from Australia, adorable and only about 8 centimeters long. Number 8, the goldcrest, Europe's smallest bird, weighs less than a 20-cent coin. Next up, number 7, the crimson chat, bright, bold, and barely there. Number 6, the pardalote, another Aussie gem, sporting vibrant colors in a bite-sized package. At number 5, the spotted pardalot, just as tiny but even more polka-dotted. Number 4, the bee hummingbird from Cuba, the world's smallest bird, coming in under 2 grams. That's lighter than a 5-cent piece. Number 3, the banana quit, cheeky, energetic, and only 10 centimeters at best. For number 2, we've got the little spider hunter, with a name that sounds fierce but a body the size of your thumb. And finally, at number 1, the vervain hummingbird, so light it could perch on a pencil tip. These pint-sized wonders remind me just how surprising nature can be. Next time you're in the garden or out bushwalking, keep your eyes peeled. Some of the coolest birds are also the easiest to miss. Love learning about birds? Hit that subscribe button for more feathered fun facts.